Sam is a doctor. He takes care of people. He smiles at them. He gives them medicine. He gives stickers to the younger patients. The younger patients like him. They see him when they are sick. He makes them feel better. This makes him happy. He loves his job. He goes home proud. The beach is fun. Some people swim in the water. They see who is the fastest. The winner gets a surfboard. Some people lie down on the sand. They want to relax. The kids make sand castles. They try to make the castles big and tall. Later, the water washes the sand castles away. The kids make new ones. Linda loves the park. There is so much to do. First, she looks at the sky. One cloud looks like a dog. Another cloud looks like a sheep. Later, she feeds the ducks. They are hungry. Linda throws breadcrumbs. The ducks enjoy the food. Finally, Linda watches the sun go down. It is beautiful. Carol walks to the store. The store sells fruits. The fruits are colorful. Strawberries and apples are red. Tangerines and pumpkins are orange. Lemons are yellow. Limes are green. Blueberries are blue. Grapes and plums are purple. Carol's favorite color is purple. She buys a plum. She leaves the store. She bites the plum. It is tasty. The garden is beautiful. The garden is big. There are many flowers. There are pink flowers. There are purple flowers. There are small flowers. There are big flowers. The gardener plants more flowers. There is also a fountain. Kids sit next to it. Kids throw coins in it. Their parents smile. Miss White goes to a clothing store. The dresses are on sale. She buys a dress for her daughter. It is blue with yellow flowers. Miss White takes the dress home. Her daughter tries it on. It doesn't fit. It is too tight. Miss White goes back to the store. She wants her money back. The cashier says, "Sorry, all sales are final." She goes to the library. She looks at the mystery section. She takes 2 books from the shelf. She goes to the romance section. She does not take any books from that shelf. The romance books seem boring. She takes some cooking magazines. She goes to the checkout desk. He goes to class. There is an empty seat in front. He sits in the seat. He looks around. There are different people. He says hi to the girl next to him. She smiles. The teacher comes in. She closes the door. Everyone is silent. The first day of school begins. He plays basketball. He wants to play for the Los Angeles Lakers. He goes to the basketball court every day. He practices his free throws. He stands before the free throw line. He throws the basketball in the net. He misses. He tries again. It goes in the net this time. He practices for 2 more hours.